Smokaroma. It is a pressure smoker. It will save you time and money on making any type of smoked meats. We typically use about 2 ounces of smoke chips per cycle. You'll be able to smoke 45 pounds of ribs in about 1.5 hours. You'll be able to smoke 30 to 40 pounds of chicken in about 30 to 45 minutes. And you will be able to do brisket and pulled pork in about 2.5 to 3 hours. This piece of machinery is very innovative. It makes the cook time so much less. It's great for barbecue joints. While it won't traditionally replace your traditional smokers, it's good for, let's say, last-minute catering orders when you're not able to fulfill that catering order because you can't smoke your meats quick enough. It's also never running out of a specific type of meat for a barbecue restaurant, and it will alleviate pressure on your traditional smokers if you do your chicken and your pork products in it. It's also good for restaurants to add a higher level of quality of smoke products. Great for Mexican restaurants and taco shop where most of your meats might be boiled or slow cooked. This will add more moisture and a smokiness to your meats that will elevate your tacos and all your menu offerings. And also great for sandwich and sub shops to add, quality smoked meats, and it will even do a corned beef pretty well. All right, today we are making smoked chicken. This is about 12 pounds of chicken that has been marinating in our chicken marinade overnight. The marinade adds a little bit more moisture and flavor to the meat. We are gonna put it on 3 separate racks. This racking system holds about 8 layers, so you're typically able to do about 30 to 40 pounds of chicken. Well, let's get started. We are going to marinate it with our one-stop seasoning. So our chicken is ready to go into the Smokaroma. Alright, ready to go. I'm going to set the timer at 5 minutes. And when it's ready, it's going to let the pressure out and we'll be good to go.